Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make recycle bin automatically delete all files present inside it whenever computer starts. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you I have a recycle bin on my Windows computer. So you can see here on my desktop screen, so you can see your recycle bin. So it has some files inside it, so you can see here some files inside it. So how you can make this recycle bin automatically delete all files present inside it whenever your computer starts or turn on. So for this you need to just use one command. As you can see here, I'll be leaving this command download link, so you can just visit here and you can just copy this command. After that, just open your Notepad applications or the software which is present in every Windows computer. So just paste the command which you have just copied. Now you can see your file. Just click on file and just click on save. Now here you can add like recycle bin empty .bat. So you need to add an extension .bat. You can give any name. For your reference, I'm giving this name. You can give anything like empty folder or empty recycle bin or anything, whatever you like, but the extension should be .bat. So after typing the name with the extension .bat, just click on save. So here you can see .bat file, that is a batch file, has been created on my respective Windows computer. So now what you need to do is just press Win plus R to open the run. So here you need to type cell colon start up. So you need to type this command and you can click on OK or hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now the startup folder will get open. So now what you need to do, just copy or you can cut also depending upon where you want to do. So I'll just copy or cut and just paste it here. So after pasting it here, so whenever you restart your computer, this programs will automatically get started. So now once your every settings is done, now you can just go to the start and you can click on power button and you can just click on restart, or you can shut down and turn it on also. So right now I will just click on restart and we'll check whether the full recycle bin gets emptied automatically or not. So let me click on the restart. So finally I have restarted my Windows computer. So you need to wait for a few minutes until the computer gets restart or turn on again. So finally we have restarted our Windows computer. So wait for a few more seconds until the desktop screen gets loaded. So finally our desktop screen has been loaded. So wait for a few more seconds. So right now you can see the recycle bin is full. Wait for a few more seconds until my entire system gets loaded, since it is loading right now. So wait for a few more seconds until the complete Windows system startups gets loaded automatically. So finally the command is running, or it started. So wait for a few more seconds. Now it is starting to delete the files that is present inside the recycle bin. So wait for a few more seconds until the complete process is done. So finally the process has been completed and voila, now you can see the recycle bin is totally empty. So there is no file inside it. So let me open it. So you can see here. So this is how you can make recycle bin automatically delete all files present inside it whenever computer starts. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.